Hey guys, what's up? Loki HGIV here, and welcome to Spawn Snipes Episode 4 on the map Lockdown. Let's get this show started. So first off, offensive spawn, like I always start off with the offensive spawn. No offense to defense, but we gotta start off with the offensive spawn. So, first spot is, when you spawn, you run to the left side of your spawn and hide behind this red or blue mailbox, and you aim towards the window thing or the hole in the wall where the person is, and you pick anyone off running past it, coming out of it, whatnot. Second spot is you run into the closest building, run up the stairs where everyone snipes on this map, and you aim down your sights, pick off anyone rushing towards A trying to get that bomb plant, and so on and so forth. Spot 3, you run to the far right side of the map, down the hallway, and you aim at those stairs again, and you pick off anyone running down there, hiding behind those boxes, head glitching, whatnot, and yeah. Now onto the defensive spawn. So I just want to add a quick thing. If you guys like my Spawn Snipe series, please recommend a map. I would love you guys to recommend maps so I can do them. And yeah, so first spot on the defensive spawn is to the far left, and you basically pick anyone off running through their far right side of the spawn, and yeah, it's a good spawn snipe. Second spot, far left again, but you lie down on the stairs, hidden within the trees, and you pick off anyone in that window, and it's very hidden, not many people notice you there, but yeah. Spot 3 is also to the left side of the spawn again, except you run into the building and you aim through the window and picking anyone off running down this hallway. I don't know why my friend was right there just sitting behind me and shooting me, but yeah. So that's Spawn Snipes episode 4 on Lockdown. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, recommend another map, and I will see you guys later, man. So like I said 2 seconds ago, comment, rate, subscribe, and peace out.